Hey, Mom. Okay, I need you to make sure I don't die. I'm scared. Whew. So the roof is kind of round, so I feel this kind of like gravity going toward me. It feels unsafe. So I'm gonna try something else. Oh, nice catch. Oh, it's filming right now.
Oh no!
Yeah. So after that embarrassing attempt to jump on the roof and get started on my vent fan, I think I lost a couple of cool points. But frankly, my dear, I don't give up. So I managed to tape up a square for the vent fan. And now I'm about to drill my first hole. But first, I gotta mark out the lines. I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you. Whoa! Alright, so now that the hole is cut out, I am putting some butyl tape on my fan. And came out pretty good, actually. There it is. The fan is installed. Here's the vent installed in all its glory. And it's quite a bit of a mess with all the butyl tape I had to use because my roof is round and it's very hard to put this on in a round roof. But I did it. Now I need to add a little bit of lap sealant. A lot of lap sealant around, make sure there's no leaks. Oh, there we go. Whew. What a beaut. Okay, so this is me about 4 weeks later. I've been putting off doing the vent fan for quite some time. It's been very hot out and no sign of rain, so thought, I'll get to it later while I work on some other stuff. So now this is me finishing the vent fan. I put a few screws in the back and in the front. Because my roof is round, again, it was very hard to, one, screw in on the sides, and two, to frame it from the bottom with wood. So what I'm doing is filling in the gaps with butyl tape, and then I'm going to try to seal that in nice and tight so that we don't get no rain dropping in my van. So now I'm going to secure the vent fan to the roof by putting some nuts on the screws there. Most people screw into a wood frame, but because my roof is round and it just kind of drops off on the side, I couldn't really put a wood frame there to frame the vent. So this is my alternative.